in this day you are quite viral, so that's why all the people they are very excited to talk with you. uh, Really. And
Thank you to
really,
people.
yes,
Yes.
sir. And by watching your video there are many, people they are getting motivation through your video, like, if he can do, I can also learn and speak. Really, you are, you know an example for all of the beginners or learners who make excuses. I can't learn English, I don't have environment, I don't have facilities, I don't have this thing, that thing. So definitely, they will be more motivated by watching your video. Yeah. And
Yes,
also,
yes. Yes, yes. You can consider, bro. I am the inspiration of learners of English. You can consider because
yeah, yeah,
many people thinking about English is very hard, but English is
yes,
not
sir.
hard. English is very easy. So, bro, one day before 3 days, one person will have taken my interview. So, did you watch my interview
Yes,
video?
yes, yes, yes. I have, I have watched, that interview video. It was very nice, very, commendable. I'm very happy to watch that interview. Really, you know, I knew about a lot of things about you, your family background, a lot of things I knew about, watching that interview video. Yes.
You are watching. So, were you understanding language?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Of course, why not? I understand all the things, but I don't speak. Sometimes I speak, but yeah, I understand all the things. Yes.
Do you know Santali, bro?
Yes, yes, I know, but I don't talk. I only talk in Hindi or other language.
Oh, yes,
Yes, yes.
already I told about you that Santali because one day I was watching your video, which video
Yeah.
recently already you have uploaded on YouTube. You were talking to one person, he told about Santali title, and I understand that you also know Santali, so there
Yeah,
following about you that you know Santali. Yes,
yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, I know also, but I don't speak. Yeah.
yes, yes. So, bro, and now can you suggest them and who want to become fluent in English language? So, what should they do for becoming fluent? So, please tell them who is beginners.
For being a fluent English speaker, I would like to suggest them, I would like to advise them to all the learners that if you want to learn this language, then you must have patience, desire, and curious about learning this language. Even I also belong to a village. Here I had no any friends, no environment, no anyone to guide, like how to learn. So I started learning all alone by myself because I was very passionate or very curious to learn this language. So that's why, I want to tell you, I would like to tell to all the learners that if you want to become a fluent English speaker, you can start whatever you know. From there you can start your speaking journey. Okay, you should
Yes,
not be worried about your mistakes, like, I'm making a lot of mistakes, I get stuck. It happens with everyone. Initially, all the people they face this kind of problems, but we have to face all the problems. We have to get rid of all the problems, then finally we will be able to talk with anyone fluently and confidently.
yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
but
Like
some of the learners they don't have passion. After learning or after practicing few days, when they are not able to speak, they start they start feeling demotivated. Like, I can't do it. It's very difficult. It's very hard. So we should not think about negative thoughts. We should always think positive, and always we should be continue in our work. Yes,
yes.
yes,
Because bro, it will happen with every person you can consider because people will not have patience. People will think that I can't speak this time, so again people are not trying to, but people should try again, right?
yeah, right, right, right.
People should
Yes.
try again to speak. But and once if you will speak, you can't correct it. So if you will go to any, if you will go anywhere from your home that time, and actually, if you will try to play football, but first time you will not be able to play properly.
Right,
But
right,
when we
right, right.
one by one, so definitely you can become good player of football like this. Yes,
Yeah, one more example I would like to tell you. If you want to swim in the water, then for the first time when you will try, you will not be able to swim properly. Maybe you will sink into the water, right? But when you
yes,
will try or practice day by day and regularly, then definitely you will be perfect. You will be a good swimmer. Yes, like that. Nothing
yes, yes.
happens all of a sudden. For that, we have to struggle a lot. There is a long, a struggle journey behind any success. Yes.
Yes, definitely. Because first time we can know that how to swimming in water. Otherwise, we shall drown and sink in water. Because we
Yeah.
should know. how to sing in water, you can consider. So, bro, can you tell me how many people of your village know English?
Yeah, here no, only there are few friends they know, but they don't speak all the time. Yeah, sometimes they speak whenever I call, them or I talk with them. That time only they speak, not all the time. I am very passionate of learning this language. I am very curious. That's why I
Yeah.
started my YouTube channel and I started making video. And in this day, I'm getting friends, so I'm really very happy because yes, sure. If I'll be continue in this journey, definitely one day I'll be able to speak English nicely. Yes.
Yes, yes. Bro, here where I'm living here in my village, so mostly people know English, but they're having problem. You can consider because they
Yeah.
know English, but they can't speak English language. And one person has become, you can consider, pilot. Do you know?
Oh wow, that's great, great.
Very popular due to him that because he has become pilot, and actually he lives in America, you can get this time, and he is running which is helicopter and flying it there, you can consider. Actually some of the
Yeah.
other day he came on coming here and he has different kinds of vehicle where he has born, you can consider. Actually he has born in my village, so he has car, tractor, everything,
Yes, yes,
magic, everything he has. He has bought
yes.
for his parents, and now
Yeah,
actually he
yeah,
is in America currently, and he is flying with his aeroplane. You can consider there.
would you like to go out of India abroad? Do you have desire, wishes?
Yes, definitely. After 10th, I decided to go abroad country.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Same here. Me too. I'm also very, curious to explore, other country out of India, visit abroad. Yes, I also, I will go in my future.
Lava Hasa, do you know?
Yeah.
Lava Hasa, do you know?
No, no, I don't know.
He went to abroad country. He is Santhal. Santhal. Yeah, he belongs to Santhal community.
Okay.
He makes different kind of video there, and always he keep on going different kind of country from his India, like America, Africa, and he keep on going with Africa people, like to forest to hunt. So really I like his video. You can consider, he also makes a different kind of video with people, like you can consider, which is animals, tiger and lion, and
Okay.
he will show his video. So definitely I like his video, and he speaks Somali sometime, but with them, with African people, he will speak English, but he knows little bit English. All the time, he's running, he's making do with his English all the time somehow. And
Yeah,
actually I like his video. I think that whenever I will go there, so I will, if I have to make any blog video there, so I will make in English, and
yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
will
Of course, we can make. Yes, yeah, yeah,
definitely. And with people and who keep on going to forest to hunt. So like this person really I like, but little bit they are dangerous. I think they are
yeah,
dangerous, but I will manage somehow. But I will fear. What are they? Applying their body. You can consider, like which is horn. You can consider like seeing very bad.
yeah, yeah. We have to protect, ourselves from them. Yeah,
Yes, yes. Actually, they are looking like very aggressive and dangerous. You can consider, but
yeah,
because they are not dangerous to people all the same. But when you look them, so you will think that, and he will kill me. He will kill me. Actually, he will not kill
yeah,
you, but he will, and if you will speak English, but he will not kill you. That he will think that, he is my guest. He came to, he came here from India. And
yeah,
I will, think about him. He is guest. Like this, they will think.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Is there any forest near your village?
Yes, yes, yes. Here, I'm living in forest area. You can consider.
Same here. I am also living here in a forest. I really like, wandering in the forest. Whenever I get time, I go just for
Yes.
wandering. Yes,
One day,
because I
bro.
really feel very happy. Yeah,
Yes, yes. One day I'd gone to up, I had gone up to 8 9 kilometers by
okay,
crossing one forest. You can consider, that
okay,
forest is the highest. You can consider, actually the highest of that forest is very highest. All of a sudden, we crossed it somehow, and I was going with my friends. So really I like it, and then when I crossed it, then I got one main road there. So really I got happy that, we could come up to 8 9 kilometers. After crossing these hills. Yes, after walking up the mountain, like that mountain, when we went there, so that time, we go to see different kind of stone, like and which is big stone, you can consider. But we are having to, we were having to find difficult to do, go to up, walk up to the mountain. All of a sudden, somehow we were managing it. You can consider.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
then there were around, you can consider, five people with me that time we were going, and one
Yeah,
child
yeah.
was, he was 8 years old. But actually,
Okay.
we said, don't come with us. That we are having to, we definitely we shall have difficulty to go there. But why are we coming? All of a sudden, he had mind, and then he started coming with us. We took him there where we wanted to go. That we
Yeah.
captured different photos there, and plan, do you know?
Plan? Yeah.
Yes, plan and minor, koila
Yes,
khadan.
yes.
We go to see
Coal mines,
minor.
coal mines, coal mines.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
There,
Yeah.
and we are fearing to go there, but little bit when we came to know about that coal mine, some people of my village were also working there, so we got happy that we don't need to fear here, but also people of my village are working here. Why will I fear? So
Yeah.
we were not. We captured different photo and we showed it to our parents by coming to home, so they got shocked there. And and why did you all go there like this? They asked us. So
Yeah.
we said to them like only for walking, like we had gone there like
Yeah.
this.
So how many places you have visited in Jharkhand? How many places? Any tourism places?
Yes, many places I and like Dumka, do you know?
Yeah, yeah. Why not? Yes, I have went there.
Yes, yes, yes. I visited the Dumka also and Patna, in the Bihar, but in West
Yeah,
Bengal I didn't go.
yeah,
Yes,
yeah. Let's meet. In the summer time when you were in summer vacation. I will get holidays, and after that we will meet. Okay. It's because we are very near. In Sahibganj
yes,
there is my grandfather lives, so I'll go and definitely we can meet.
yes, definitely. Several
Yeah,
videos
yeah.
getting love. We shall and again we shall connect each other some other day.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. Why not? Really, I'm very happy to talk with you, and really, I enjoyed a lot. After a long time, we connected or we talked. Yeah, so we should always, keep our friendship like this, so that we will progress in our life.
Yes, thank
And
you to
definitely, we will do the best. Yes, we should always, support each other.
yes, definitely, definitely.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much.